students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are going to start a new topic, that is measurement of weight. So here we are having chapter number 10. In this chapter we will learn how to measure weights. Weights is just like how much that object is heavy or light. Clear? So let's see what we are going to do in this chapter. So here we are having unit of weight, conversion, subtraction, addition, same as we had done in our length part. Clear? So you have seen this picture. So here we are having some items and we are going to purchase them. So here is a shopkeeper and he is a consumer. So consumer went to a shop and he trying to buy something just like sugar. So how much sugar he needs? He said 2 kg, sir. Okay, so 2 kg is the weight of the sugar because not everything is measured in length. So some objects which are heavy or light, so they are measured in weight. So there are some common units for the measurement of weights. So we are going to discuss it. So here we are having our topic, that is units of weight. So the mass oblique quantity of an object is measured in grams and kilograms. So when we are talking about the mass, so we are having units, grams and kilograms. So small quantities as gold, silver, weighted in grams. Heavy objects such as bag of wheat or rice is weighted in kilograms. Clear? So here we are having standard unit of weight is gram because most of the things are measured in. Okay, just like here we are having 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So here we are having some picture of weights. Here we are having a picture of weight which we are going to use in our previous science because we have some instruments here where we have to put objects on the one side and weights on the other side. But today we are having digital machines to measure the weight. We have to just put the object there and there is some reading type instrument that reads how much weight is it carrying. Clear? So before this digital machine we have to use the weights, just like for measuring 50 kg we will use this, for 20 kg, 10 kg, 5 kg, 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 500 gram, 200 gram, I think this is 100 gram, 50 gram, 25, and this is 10 gram. So we are having different weights for measuring the mass of an object. Clear? So here we are having conversion. Let's see. If we talk about the conversion, so conversion of kilometer into grams, so we have to learn this unit. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Clear? So let's see. Okay, now we are having exercise 10A. So here we are having question number 1. What unit of weight would you choose for weighing the following? Okay, so we have 2 units. The one is kilogram for the heavy objects and the one is gram for lighter objects. So let's pick A part. Your own weight, obviously in kilogram. Weight of ring, that is in gram. 1 gram or 2 gram, something just like this. Next is convert into gram. Let's pick question number 2, B part. Here we are having 14 gram. For conversion, we have to know just like this, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. To convert this kilogram into gram, we have to multiply it by 1000. So if we look about 14 kilogram, to change in gram, we have to multiply by 1000. Then it will change into gram. So here we are having 14,000 gram. Clear? Okay, now move to our next part. That is question number 3, convert into gram. Okay. Here we are having 26 kg, kilogram and 54 gram. So we have 2 units to convert this. Okay, I have to change this kilogram into gram and add this conversion into 54 gram. So we know that 1 kilogram equals to how many gram? That is 1000 gram. So here we are having that is 26 kilogram. So we have to change this kilogram into gram by multiplying 1000 first, and then we are having 54 grams, so we have to add them. Okay, here we are having 26,000 gram and 54 gram. After addition, we are having, okay, this is, okay, this 20,000 gram, 54 gram, this is 26,054 gram. So we are having 26,054 gram. Clear? Okay, now move to our next part, that is convert into kilograms. Okay, for conversion, let's pick this part first. Okay, here we know that 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. To convert gram into kilogram, we have to divide it by 1000. So here we are having 25,000 gram. So we have to change this into kilogram. So we have to multiply it by 1000 into 25,000 gram. Cool. Okay. So here we are having 3 zeros and 3 zeros are cancelled out. So we are having 25 kilogram as answer. Okay, now move to our next part, that is question number 5, convert into kilogram and gram. Okay. And let's pick E part. See, here we are having 1,67,006 gram. So we know that we have 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So we are going to multiply this first. So we are having 167,006 gram into 1000. By this we have 1, 2, 3 zeros here. So we will put a 3 decimal place number from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3. So we are having 167.006 kilogram. So we have to change this part in kilogram and gram. So this left hand side part is for kilogram, just like 167 kilogram, and this right hand side part is for gram, so we can say that 6 gram. So our answer is this. Clear? Okay. Now move to our next part, that is fill in the blanks. So we are having C part here. This is 5,000 gram, so it will equals to 5 gram, 5 kilogram. So you can do this as we have done in our conversion part. So let's see what we are having next. The next topic we are having is that is addition of units. So first thing, we are having two methods. First, you have to convert them, add them, then again convert them back. Or you can simply add the same unit and same unit, just like meter into meter and kilometer into kilometer. So let's start our topic. Okay, this is our second method which we have discussed. Okay, now we are having an exercise that is 10b. So let's pick one question. Question number 1, B part. Here we are having kilogram and gram. So first add these two units, gram into gram and kilogram into kilogram. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 0, and this is our 2. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 27 kilogram and 26 gram. Next we are having question number 2, arrange in columns and add. Let's pick B part. Okay, here we are having 15 kilogram and 73 gram and 20 kilogram and 36 gram. So here we are having kilogram and gram. Let's place them first. 15 kilogram and 73 gram. This is 20 kilogram and 36 gram. Okay, let's add them. So here we are having 6 plus 3 is 9 and this is 7 plus 3 is 10. This is 109 gram and this is 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 35 kilogram. Okay, let's pick next question. So we have done this part. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Add and write the sum in grams. Okay. So first we have to add them, then we will convert them. Okay. Let's pick first part. So here we are having kilogram and gram. So let's pick that is 23 kilogram and 350 gram. So here we are having 42 kilogram and 470 gram. So we have to add them. Okay. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 5 plus 7 is 12, carry up 1, this is 4, 3, 7, this is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, this is 65 kilogram and 820 gram. Now we have to convert this answer into gram. So we have to use the conversion part. So we are having 65 kilogram and 820 gram. So first we are going to do is to convert 65 kg into gram. So we are going to multiply 65 into 1000. This will be converted into gram and then we have to add 820 gram. Let's solve this part. So now we have to simply add them, just like 65,820 gram. Clear? Okay. Next, we are having some word problem type questions. Let's pick question number 5. Okay, here we are having someone bought 5 kg and 275 gram potatoes and 2 kg 300 gram onion and 1 kg 600 gram of peas. Find a total weight of all the vegetables bought. Okay, we have to find out the total weight, so we have to add them. So let's start. First, we are going to write our statement. Okay, just like weight of potatoes. Weight of potatoes is 5 kilogram and 275 gram. Next is weight of potatoes are done. Then weight of onion. We are having 2 kilogram and 300 gram. Then we are having peas. So here we are having weight of peas is 1 kilogram and 600 gram. Now we have to find out the total weight of vegetables. So we are going to add all these weights. Okay, let's start addition. 11 carry 1, 9. So here we are having 9 kg and 175. Okay students, let's move to our next topic. Let's see what we are having next. So here we are having subtraction. So again we are having two methods. First we have to convert them, then subtract, then again convert back, or we can simply subtract from the same unit. Clear? So let's see what we are having. Okay, we are having our exercise that is 10C. So here we are in question number 1, subtract, that is B part. Here we are having kilogram and gram. So we are going to subtract gram from gram and kilogram from kilogram. So 3 minus 4 not possible. So we will take carry from here. This is 6 and here we are having 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here we are having kilogram. 8 minus 6, this is 2 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Clear? So come to our question number 2. Here we are having subtract by converting into gram. So first we have to convert them and then we have to solve them. Okay, let's pick A part. Okay, this is from, we have to take care, we have to write it first and then this number. Let's convert this. This is 450 kilogram and 600 gram. So I'm going to convert them first, then we will solve them. Okay. So here we are having 450 kilogram and 600 gram. So first I will have to change this kilogram into gram by multiplying by 1000, just like this. Then we have to add this 600. So we have the total unit in grams. So here we are having 450 and 3 zeros plus 600 gram. If we see, we are having 450,600 gram. Okay. Okay, let's move this side. Now we have 275 kilogram, 275 kilogram and 346 gram. So we have to change them also. So here we are having 275 and we have to multiply it by 1000 to change in gram, and already we are having 346 gram. So we have to add them first. So we are having 275,000 plus 346. So total we are having 275, 346 gram. So now we are having 2 units in gram. So we are going to subtract them. Okay, we have to subtract this from this. So we are going to write this number first, just like 450,600 gram. And here we are having 207, 275,346 gram. So we have to subtract them. Okay, let's subtract these two numbers. We are having 0, 0. Here we are having 5. Carry 9. This is 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 5 not possible. We have to take carry. Here we are having 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus not possible again. This is 10, this will become 14. This is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we are having 1,75,254 gram. So this is our conversion method. Now move to our next type. That is question number 3. Arrange in column and find the difference. Okay. Let's pick C part from here. Now we are going to arrange them in columns. So first we have to write their units just like this. This is 94 kilogram and 339 gram. This is 42 kilogram and 247 gram. Okay, so here we are having the first thing we are going to use here is 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 4 not possible. Let's pick from here. This is 2 and here we are having 30. So 30 minus 4, 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we are having 92 gram. So here we are in 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 4 we are having 5. This is 52 kilograms. Clear? Okay. So we have done all the 3 parts from exercise 10C. Now move to our next part, that is simplify. Okay. In simplify we have to simply add and then subtract. So let's pick question number D from here. So listen carefully when we have this type of question. First we have to add 2 units, then we have to subtract at the second part. Okay, the first we are going to add 2 units. We are having first is this one and the second is this one. So first we are going to do addition part. Okay, so we are going to write kilogram and gram here. So we are having 710 kilogram and here we are having 345 gram. So second unit we are having just like 348 kilogram and 292 grams. Okay. Now we are going to just add them. Here we are having 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, this is 6. This is 8, 4 plus 1, this is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10. Clear? So here we are having 1058 kilogram and 637 grams. So now we have to subtract this part. So we are having 465 kilograms, 372. Okay, 372 grams. Now we have to subtract them. Okay, so we are going to subtract. So we are having 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 7 not possible, so we have to take carry 5 and this is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6, 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 5 we are having 3, 6 minus 5 not possible. So we have to take carry from here, this is 9 and this is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. So we are having the final answer, that is 593 kilogram and this is gram. Okay, so okay, now we are having word problem type questions. Let's pick one question. Okay, let's see question number 8. Okay, here we are having question number 8. A container has 30 kg and 250 gram of rice, 18 kg, 750 gram of rice is taken out. Then how much rice is left? When we are having this type of statement that how much is left or remaining part, we have to simply use the concept of subtraction. Let's start from here. Okay, let's see weight of rice. Weight of rice is kilogram and gram. This is kilogram is 30 kilogram and this is 250 gram. Next we are having quantity of rice taken. That is 18 kilogram and 750 grams. So now we have to find out quantity of rice left. So we are having 0 and 0. We will take carry from here. This is 2. This is 9. There we are having 12. 12 minus 7 we are having 5. And here we are 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 11 kg and 500 gram of rice is left. Clear? So this is our question. Now we will take one more question in which we are having the addition, subtraction both. We got our question, that is question number 10. Okay, let's start our question number 10. Sanjay bought 3 kg apple on one day and 4 kg and 250 gram of apple on another day, and he used 6 kg and 50 gram of apple in these 2 days. How much quantity of apple was left? So we have to first find out the total quantity of apples he bought. Then we have to subtract the quantity of apple he used. So then we will get the required answer, that is the quantity of apple was left. Clear? So we are going to write the statement first. So apples bought on first day. So we are going to write the quantity here, that is kilogram and gram. So this is 3 kilogram on one day, and apples bought on second day. If we talk about apples bought on second day is 4 kilogram and 250 gram. Okay, then after that we are having, we have to find out the total quantity of apples bought. Let's see. Now we have to find out the total quantity of apples bought. Okay, so we will have to add them. This will become 250 gram and 7 kilogram. So how much apples they use? That is 6 kgs and 50 gram. Okay, again, apples used in 2 days. That is 6 kilogram and 750 gram. So now we have to find out quantity of remaining apples. So we are going to write the statement quantity of apples left. Okay. So we are going to subtract these two numbers. So here we are having 0, 0, and we will carry, this will become 12, and this is 5, and this is 0. So only 500 gram apples are left. Okay, so only 500 kilograms of apples are left. Okay, now move to our next topic. What we are having next? Let's see. Okay, so our topic is finished. So I hope you all enjoyed this topic and also learn all the concept in a simple way. So you all have to just practice it and improve your maths by revising all the concepts after a regular interval of time. So thank you for listening us carefully. See you in next video.